Hi, today in front of me Google Pixel 7 Pro and I'll show you how to link or link Google Assistant from power button on this device. So if you want to use the Google Assistant by double press or just by press the power key, we should first open the settings application and then scroll down to the system section. Then click here to the gestures, scroll down and click to press and hold power button. So now just to use Assistant from power key, we should just press and hold it for a while, and now we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you want to turn it off, we should click on the power key, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.